multiplication. We completed the properties of multiplication. In that we have some of the properties. We'll see today. Okay. Before we start, we'll start with a short prayer, children. All of you close your eyes. असतोमा सद्गमय तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योमा अमृतं गमय ओम शांति शांति शांति. Okay, in the previous class, children, what we did, we studied that what closure property we seen. Okay, we seen what closure property. Which chapter we are doing, children? Rational number. I told you the definition of rational number. What is the definition of rational number? In the rational number, it is also an integer, but in the question form, that will be the p by q, and q is always not equals to 0. Okay. Now the properties we studied. First property is closure property. The second one is commutative property. The third one is associative property. Fourth one is, which is the fourth property, children? Which one is the fourth property we did? We did only what all things? Commutative we did, associative we did, and the closure property. The next property is a roll of 0. That will be the property. It is also called as a what? Zero property also we can call it, or as a the roll of a 0. The roll of a 0. Okay, the roll of a 0 in the rational number. We'll see the roll of the 0 in the rational number. The fifth one we completed till this. Today we'll solve this one and the next property. The next one is the roll of 1. It will be also called as a identity property. This is also called as a 1. It is also called as an identity property. We can call it as an identity property also. Today we'll solve these two. We completed these three. We'll see that properties today. Okay? Okay, children. The first one is the zero property, or a roll of 0 in a rational numbers. Okay? We'll read it as a 0 only. Zero property only. Yes, it is easy to read it. So we'll write as zero property only. What is a zero property, children, in the integers and in the whole numbers? Yes, what we did in the integers and the whole numbers? In that we did, when we multiply 0 with any number, we get what? 0 itself. We get what, children? We get 0 itself. Okay, when we multiply, when we add the 0 with any number, we get that number itself. How the different properties have a different. In addition, we have a when we add, we get that number only. When we subtract, we get that number only, but minus. When we multiply, we get 0. Yes? We get what? 0. So we'll see in this rational number, when we add 0 to any number, we get that number only. The addition property. Okay? Subtraction. When we subtract 0 with any number, we get what? That number only. When we multiply 0 with any number, what we get, children? When we multiply any number with a 0? Yes? Tell me, when we multiply 0 with any number, we get 0 itself. Yes? So, when we add any number with a 0, we get that number itself. So, the zero property holds in the rational number. The zero property holds in the rational number. Some of the, in the statement form I will tell you, a plus 0 is equals to 0 plus a is equals to a. In the whole number. Okay. In the whole number, this is the property of a whole number. Okay. When b plus 0 is equals to 0 plus b, we get b. This is in an integer. Okay. C plus 0 is equals to 0 plus c is equals to c. It is a rational number. So, the property holds for all the three. In the whole numbers also it holds. In the integers also it holds. In the rational number also it holds. Okay, children? Which property holds? 0 Okay, we'll solve one problem on this. When we have 2 by 3 in plus 0, what we get, children? 2 by 3 itself. Okay, this is called as a zero property or a role of 0 in the rational number. We'll see the next property, that is, a role of 1. The role of 1. The role of 1. In the role of 1, when we multiply 1 with any number, we get that number itself. When we multiply any number with that number 1, with a 1, we get that number itself. So, in the role of 1, we use which one operation? Which operation we use? Multiplication operation. In the role of 0, we use addition operation. In this, we use multiplication. Okay. 5 into 1. What we get, children? 5. Whenever, whichever number will be, when we multiply with a 1, what we get? What we get? That number itself. Okay. In the integer, we will tell you how in the rational number. 2 by 7 into 1. What we get, children? That number itself. We get that number itself. This is the property of 1. It is also called as a identity property. Identity property. It is also called as a what? Identity property. Okay, understood? In this we are using the multiplication operation. In the in the previous property, which is that 0 property, we use addition property. Okay, understood that? For this statement will be like this: a into 1 is equals to a. This is the property of identity. Understood now? Yes. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. The negative of a number. The negative of a number. When we have a negative numbers, how to do the operations? Okay, how to do the operations? This is also called as an additive inverse. This is called as an additive inverse. The next property is, we studied what? Today we studied 5 properties we studied. Yes. What are those? Till now we studied what are those properties? First one is a closure property, associative property, commutative property, additive inverse, the identity property. One more is 0 property, and the next property is additive inverse. The next property is additive inverse. Additive inverse ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು meaning ಹೇಳಿ? Inverse, making the sign inverse. If they given a plus, if they given a plus sign, we have to convert it to minus. If we have a minus, we have to convert it to plus. This is called as a additive inverse. This is called as a additive inverse. Okay. Now, the example for you, they given a rational number like a 2 by 3. Make the additive inverse of this number. What is the additive inverse of this one? Minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. Okay. The additive inverse of that one is minus 2 by 3. Understood now? The statement for this is a plus minus a is equals to minus a plus a is equals to 0. Whatever things we do, the answer will be what? 0. The answer will be what? 0. When we have number like this, what we get, children? We get 0 only. We get what? 0 only. This is called as a additive inverse of 0. Additive inverse of 0. Okay. Additive inverse means making only the number will be same. Only we are changing what? We are changing the signs. We are changing the signs. The number will be the same. Whatever number we are taking, that number only it will be. But only we are changing what? Signs. Okay? Sign we are changing. Okay, children. We'll move on to the next property. That is next one. The next content. That is a reciprocal of a numbers. Reciprocal means what? Making a reverse of a number. Making the reverse of a number. Reciprocal. Okay? Making it a reverse. In the reversing order. Okay? For example, let's see. These all will come in the rational numbers, children. Okay, reciprocal. Reciprocal means making it to the in the reverse order. Okay, if we have an example 8 by 21, the reciprocal of 8 by 21 will be what? 21 by 8. The reciprocal of a number is like this, making it in the reverse order. Okay, after reversing we can multiply, we can add, we can minus it, whatever the things operation they will give now, we can do that. Okay, whatever the operation they will give, we can do that. But the reciprocal means what? Reversing the numbers. Reversing the numbers. Statement for this is when we have the reversing of a number A and B, if we have a A and B, and the another one will be the C and D. Statement for this is 1. Okay, statement for reciprocal. Okay, statement for reciprocal. This is the statement for reciprocal. Okay, understood now what is the reciprocal, what is the negative of numbers, what is the role of 1, what is the role of 0. Yes, we all these are things today. Okay, the next one is the next property is what is the distributive property of multiplication over addition for rational numbers. Distributive property means what? Here we are using plus and into. The plus and into signs together, that is called as a distributive property. Okay, the distributive property of a multiplication over addition of a rational number. Over addition of a rational. Distributive of multiplication over addition of rational numbers. Over rational numbers. Okay, then what we are doing here, we are mixing up of a plus here and we are mixing up of a multiplication. Okay, we'll solve one sum for this. Okay, when we have 3 numbers, here we have 3 numbers. Okay, more than 3 numbers or 3 numbers. 3 numbers will be the minimum. Okay, when they given a sum like minus 3 by 4 and 2 by 3, and the next one is minus 5 by 6. They given a sum like this. We have to apply the plus and multiplication for this. Okay, minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by. Okay, here what we are doing? We are using multiplication also we are using addition also we are using. Okay, we'll solve the sum now. Okay, first what we have to do? We have to solve these 2 numbers first. After that we'll multiply. First we'll do the addition. After that we'll go on to the multiplication. Okay, now start adding the number. Okay, what we have? 2 by 3 and the 5 by 6. You all know how to find out the LCM. You have to find out the LCM first. 3 and 6. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 2 ones are. Okay, how much we got? 2 into 3. So multiply these two. We get LCM is equals to 6 we got. Yes, LCM is equals to 6 we got. You all know how to find out the LCM now? Okay, the LCM we got 6. Okay, 3 how much are 6 children? 3 twos are 6. 6 how much are 6? 6 ones are 6. So 2 twos are 4 plus in bracket 5 ones are. Okay, we got correctly. We got that much only. After that, start adding and start adding first. 4 plus minus 5. How much? 4 plus minus 5? Okay children, sorry for the inconvenience. We'll continue our chapter. Okay, what we did children? We completed the minus 3 by 4 we got here and we have to add now. Okay, 4 plus minus 5. How much? Minus is there. So what we get? We get minus 1 by 6. Now multiply these two. we get? Yes, what we get, children? We get the answer 3 by 24. We get what? 3 by 24. 3 ones are 3, 4 6 are 24. Now see it will cancel out now. 3 ones are 3, 3 table we have a 24. Yes, we have a 24. 3 ones are 3, 8 are. What is the answer? 1 by 8. What is the answer? 1 by 8. Okay, how we did, children? We are using here multiplication and here we are using addition. This is the distributive property of a multiplication over what? Addition. Over addition. We are doing the same method. Doing everything will be the same. But only we are taking the rational numbers. Rational numbers means it will be in the numerator and the denominator form. And the one more condition for this is the q will be not equals to 0. The q will be not equals to 0. Okay? Understood now how to find out the equations and how to find out the answers? Okay? Please practice this, children. Please practice this and solve the problems. Okay? The next one, I am giving the homework for you. These all you have to try to solve it. Okay? These are the homeworks on the multiplication over addition. Okay? Multiplication over addition. First one, first problem. Homework sums for you. First one, 7 by 5 into minus 3 by 12 plus 7 by 5 into 5 by 12. Okay, the first sum. The second one, 9 by 16 into 4 by 12 plus 9 by 16 into minus 3 by. Okay, these are the two sums you have to solve it today. Children, please copy these all things. You have to solve it in the homework book. Please copy it. And today what all we did, children? We just started with the properties. In the last class we completed the closure property, associative property, commutative property, and today we completed additive inverse we completed, and the role of a 0, role of a 1 we completed, and the one more is reciprocal of a number, reciprocal of a rational numbers we did, and the next one is negative numbers we studied, and distributive of multiplication over addition of a rational numbers also we completed. Okay, you have to step by step you have to read everything, practice it one by one. Okay, and solve these two problems in a homework book. Okay, we'll see the next part and we'll continue with the next part in the next class. Bye children.